I just want everyone to know, like, it's okay to take losses, little losses here and there. Like, I routinely will take $10 losses, $5 losses, and it's just a numbers game. But everything cancels out, and then you'll make profit because you have the other items.
So I did 2 months on AutoDS. I was somewhat successful, but AutoDS was such a nightmare to deal with. So once I came to EcomSniper, I was so excited because everything's so much easier and better with EcomSniper.
Yeah.
AutoDS is terrible, and I think it's negatively affected most of us here. I had to charge back them. You know, they automatically charged me a yearly subscription when it wasn't supposed to be that, and then
No,
and so they deleted the account. And they charged me like 400. So
I
don't.
will if no one else does.
Hi, Lyndal.
Hey Jonathan, hey everybody, how
Hello.
are y'all? Hey Ronnie, I watched your one of your videos before I joined
Yeah,
Ecom
with Mark.
Sniper, and it was like a year old or something. And so
Yeah.
when I was joining, I was like, Mark, I just watched Ronnie's videos. He's still on there because I want to know, like, what is he
Yeah, I was
doing
still here.
now?
Yeah.
Because I think you had just started, like you were a few months in or something at the time, and
Did you watch the first video I had with Mark, or was it the second one?
I
Because I
don't
had
know,
multiple
but you
videos.
were like,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm making like 3 grand a month, but I really want to do Shopify, but I'm just gonna keep doing this on the
Oh, that was the
side.
first video. Yeah, that was the first
Okay,
video.
so I was like, golly, because I came here from AutoDS, so
Yeah.
I started in July. So this is I just finished my
Okay.
third month, so I did 2 months on AutoDS, and I was somewhat successful, but AutoDS was such a nightmare to deal with.
Mhm.
So once I came to EcomSniper, I was so excited because everything's so much easier and better with EcomSniper.
Yeah. Yeah. The tools here are much
Like
better.
just it's like it's such a breath of fresh air. So I've just finished my first month and it's been great. But like when I was
Yeah.
here, you talked about how easy it was and like you'd made 3 grand and I was like, oh
Yeah.
my Lord. Like I was like barely breaking even like for 2 months with
Uh-huh.
AutoDS. And but
Yeah.
now I just finished my first month and I had a great month. So I'm
Yeah.
happy with
That's good
it.
to
So
hear.
anyway,
That's great. Yeah.
I'm on to change it. But yeah, I do have a few questions and is it no way pop?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
what you were just talking about, and I've watched some of your recent videos with Mark, so
Hmm.
welcome to the
Oh,
crew.
thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank
I
you.
just joined like a month ago, so I'm
Uh,
not too far ahead of you at all.
oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. We closed in. We
No, yeah.
we
But
siblings.
uh but yeah, so one thing I haven't done yet is run the tracker, like for
Okay,
stock and price.
okay.
And
Oh, yeah.
I've gotten lucky in that only a few things have been ordered from my store that have actually been out of stock, and I've been able to find something to substitute with, or I've suggested
Yeah.
something else that's been fine.
Yeah.
But I haven't quite figured out like I still have some AutoDS items listed, and so some of the SKUs aren't there. And Noyon tried to add SKUs to some of them, and it worked for some of them, and didn't work for all of them. And then for new items, like I've done a lot of sniping and product substitution instead of bulk listing. So some of that I don't want to mess with the price.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So I don't
Um,
know.
that could
I
be
think you get.
solved by going into the tracker. You can enable something called only price monitor items with ending price, and then you can have it as like 99. For me, I have that checked because I also have sniped items. So when I bulk list, the ending price only ends at 99 because like all the prices are like 19.99, 25, 24.99. So those are all bulk listed items, but sniped items, they're like kind of weird. Like you got like 74, 30, 32 or whatever, right? Those don't get monitored at all. So that's how you fix that issue when you want to monitor both the item while having sniper items at the same time.
So
Yeah,
you only do. Oh,
Gotcha.
okay. I'm
yeah,
sorry to cut in. I just want to make sure I
Okay.
understood that clear too.
yeah.
So,
It's fine.
so that's for because typically that's what it is when you do bulk listing 99 and what.
Yeah, yeah.
So you you hit the check button for that when you're running a scanner, just
hmm
so it hits those instead of hitting your sniped items. Correct.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Gotcha.
See, and I saw a video Sammy did explaining that, but I'd already bulk listed a bunch of stuff at the time. And then I'd
Mhm.
also sniped a bunch of stuff all with 99. So I was like, well, how am I going to know the difference? Like, I wish I'd seen that a
Yeah.
few weeks prior or whatever. But
Uh-huh.
that's
Yeah.
okay because I've now deleted a ton of stuff. I only have like
Mhm.
600 items in my store right now. So I don't know. I'll just work through it, but
Yeah.
I'll have to come up with some kind of way. But
Hey,
going forward, I'm going to put something very distinct for everything I bulk list ever
if
Yeah.
again.
if it's just a one time thing.
Usually,
Sorry.
wait. Usually sniped items, they have like, wait, how do I explain this? Because snipe items, they come with their own weird ending on the price. You don't really need to set anything. The only thing
Yeah.
that the only thing that you're gonna set is like the end price, which is on the extension settings. That's basically it.
Yeah, but on Sniped, I set my own price. Like I know
Oh,
it'll
okay.
knock it down 5 cents, but I tend
Yeah.
to go a little
You can
lower
also
typically, or
oh
I
you can
play
also
around with
enable
it a
that.
bit.
Yeah. I Mark in the meeting he snipes his markdown price is $1 instead of 5 cents. You can change that in the setting. So yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Li-
literally like do it different every product.
Oh, okay.
So,
Yeah, yeah.
so
I just
Lyndal, it
look at what it
doesn't,
is and I make a decision per product.
so it
Okay.
doesn't matter what your snipe price is, as long as it's not 99, you can run that tracker.
Right, but I've done a lot of Snipe products with 99, so that's weird.
Oh, that's what you're
Yeah.
saying. Okay, so
Yeah,
what
yeah,
what
yeah.
what I can tell what you can do, I mean, I guess like the issue would be you if you remember what they are, then like because what I do is I essentially move them into a category called snipe, and then
Oh,
Okay.
and that's how I do it, if that makes sense.
Ah,
okay, so
I
somehow
see.
you do that through the eBay listings, you somehow categorize them.
Yeah, you
You have
can
some type of
make a
label to them or something,
you can make store categories, and
store
you
categories.
can yeah, and then you can add the any of those lists. Mine none of mine are 99, so you have a different thing going on, but mine's are easier because basically I have a 99 category that all the bulk listed items are, and then all the snipes are in another category.
And does that make it where only you can, that doesn't like put it in your store, like out to the customers,
No,
right?
no, that's mainly for the sale event. That
It's
way,
just for you to, is it just for you to see, like,
it's for the sale event for the sale, like the
The discount.
markdown sale,
Yeah.
like the 10%.
You can enable like a percentage discount, and then that just
Yeah,
separates your
that
snipe
way,
items from being affected by the discount.
yeah, that way I only put a sale on the bulk listed items.
Yeah.
right, but how do you, like, all your sniped items, you said you have them in a category called sniped, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
So how do you, I guess, how do you set that category and then throw those products in that category?
You make a new store category and then you have to find them. Mines are easy because all
Because of the
mine are
price.
not 99. So obviously yours, like, you probably won't remember. So I would recommend not doing that, not putting any snipe to 99. But
Right.
essentially anything that is not 99, I just move it over to a snipe category.
I mean, I'll probably have to manually go through just to get it going, but,
Yeah, it's annoying. I mean,
okay,
even I had to do it manually, honestly. So
okay, that's
But
good
yeah,
to know.
you said it was only like 600, which I know it's a decent number, but if you just do
oh
it
yeah,
once,
I've done
Right.
10K. I've done 10K.
yeah,
So
I mean, I remember
trust me.
doing it early on as
Yeah,
well.
I wouldn't want to do that.
And again, like for everybody, like these are mistakes like I've made. I bet we've all all the experienced guys that made these mistakes is completely normal, and then you just fix it once, and then you'll be good after that. So don't worry.
Right. Let's see.
No, for Rook, Sammy should actually make that into a feature where all snipe items go into a category. That would be really nice.
Yeah, I need that too.
Note that down, yeah.
And then
Alright.
the other thing I hadn't figured out how to do yet is to run the stock tracker. But I know there's videos on that, so I'll figure it out.
Yeah, there's just a video and it can be very confusing, but you pretty much just check a few boxes in there. And then you set like what ending you want to monitor. So you can selectively monitor or not, it's fine. And then you just click start and then it'll go. And there's also the CSV. It's kind of hard for me to explain, honestly, but there should just be a video
Yeah.
for it and then you'll be good. And I definitely recommend running it at least once a week. Lots of people run it continuously, so whatever floats
So
your
when
boat.
you run it continuous, you can run it, you mean like you manually go do it some people go do it a couple times a
I
day?
personally just do it twice a week. Every 3 days, I just go in and I press the button, and then, a lot of times I just use the old one. I heard the new one is really good as well. It had some bugs early on, so I just use the old one. But I'm sure they do.
Okay,
And you can also do it continuously. There's just a checkbox for that, and it'll just keep going in the background. I know
okay, that'd be cool.
Ben does that, and Mark does that, so they never have out of stock. It's great. So.
Okay. Yeah, AutoDS did it continuously, but it was constantly putting things out of stock on my store that weren't. So I would
Yeah,
see a product and be like, wow, it has all these views in action. Like, I'm shocked
AutoDS
it's sold. And then I'd go look at it and I'm like, wait, they have it out of stock, but it's not.
AutoDS is terrible, and I think it's negatively affected most of us here. I mean, they scammed
That
me.
was awful.
I had to charge back them. You know, they automatically charged me a yearly subscription when it wasn't supposed to be that, and then when I
No.
canceled, they deleted the account and they charged me like 400. So I had to call and I got it back, but they're terrible. So yeah, I mean, it's definitely something we can all relate to, I think.
Yeah, it was
A
so
lot of
bad.
us.
And one other thing, what was I just thinking of? Oh gosh, I'm drawing a blank.
No, that's fine.
Not the stock or the price monitoring. Oh, the boost my listing. I boost my listings. I haven't done that yet.
Yeah,
So
it's great for your sales. I believe it's just there's some settings that you like click and then you just press the button and then it'll do it for you.
does
Like,
it end? I know it like basically ends in relist, right? Ends in sell similar. Does it do
yeah,
that for every item or only items that haven't sold?
You're pretty new, so honestly, right now it's not gonna help you much. But there's still like you can still
Okay.
turn on offers. But all you, because I mean, you said you've been here for like a month, right? I mean, if your items are like up to, if you've passed 30 days, that's when it's gonna start doing it. But if you know, you said you've been a month, I don't know. You said you had 600 items.
You're
You can still
right.
turn it on, just schedule it because it can turn on the offers, and that also helps a lot. But just turn it on, schedule it. I do like 6 p.m., 7, 8, something like that. And then once you start hitting like the 30-day mark, it'll just do it by itself. You won't even have to like worry about it.
Well, and I guess what I'm confused about is I think eBay automatically ends and relist your stuff after 30 days, right?
So what it is Boost My Listings is like you set it to like 24 hours before it's supposed to end. You'll end it yourself and then sell similar. eBay doesn't do that for you, right? So when you with EcomSniper end the listing right before it's about to end anyways, and then um, sell a similar, you don't waste any credits because you're about to relist it anyways, and you also get a big boost from that, apparently.
Uh,
So boost your
that's
sales a
really
lot. I didn't do it until I had like 8K listings on my first account, so a couple months in. So you don't maybe need to worry about it if you only have a couple hundred. But you know,
sure.
it's your choice. It will help, but it'll help more as you warm up the account more. And Farouk actually had some solid advice there. Just there's other powerful stuff as well, like sending out offers, all the other maintenance work, um, just keeping up to date with that stuff. And
Yeah, and I've done the all like you're saying like a 24-hour markdown sale kind of thing
yeah,
when you say offers. Oh yeah, or like add best offer. Yeah, I do the offers and all that.
perfect. No, those are all great.
Um, and yeah, I do the sales, but sometimes I'm mad at myself after I've done a sale because I'm like, wait, that just made it too cheap, and then I like lose money or I don't make enough or I'll make like 5 cents and I'm like, that kind of sucks, but
I
that's
mean,
okay. Cause a
like
sale is a sale.
I have I have a couple accounts now, and yeah, I just want everyone to know like it's okay to take losses, little losses here and there. Like I routinely will take $10 losses, $5 losses, and it's just a numbers game. You know, like I
Right,
also have a lot of items where like I've literally had items probably like a dozen or 2 dozen where like I make $0 or 1 cent, like it's normal. But everything cancels out and then you'll make profit because you have the other items, and I think it's honestly worth it just to take the sale most of the time because it helps with the account. But I can totally
right.
understand. But yeah, no, you're doing great, and I think you're asking all the right questions, and you should just keep listening, and you'll be there soon enough with the account. It looks like you're doing great. So
Well, and I love, I guess it was Apple Pie, Ronnie and Mark talking the other night.
yeah,
Yeah, I saw
And,
that.
so, cause I want the automated product substitution.
that'd be dope.
Like, I think that, and but the way Sammy was explaining it, like that it's gonna like really take off for everybody using it because it's gonna be brand new, right? And it's gonna really be powerful and everybody can make a ton of money. But then
Yeah.
it's gonna also kind of level
Jonathan,
out and die off eventually.
Jonathan,
What are you saying?
nothing, nothing. It's
Am
okay.
I getting too excited when I shouldn't?
Yeah, I mean, is something you want to say, Ronnie, or he doesn't want me to say
Uh,
anything.
wait. After we're done, can we take some time to address Anthony's questions in chat?
100%, yeah, yeah. But
Yeah.
no, 100% Lyndal. Product substitution is very, 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 very powerful.
I wish I knew what I don't know, but that's okay.
No, I don't even know either. I think I kind of know, but I think only really Ronnie knows. He doesn't want me to say something, but I don't know
Is
what
it
it is.
good news or bad news?
It's good news.
It's okay news.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. All right, all right,
Yeah.
all right, all right, all right.
Okay news.
Yeah, that's probably something personal. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
All right. Do you have any other questions, Lyndal?
I think that was it. I'm just,
Awesome.
I'm enjoying the ride. I really enjoy doing this. So
No, it's
thank you
a fun,
guys.
it's a fun business, yeah.